Are you running into that annoying call failed error when trying to make calls on your iPhone? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through some easy fixes to get your calling feature back on track. So let's jump right in and tackle this issue together. Solution 1. Toggle airplane mode on and off. Start by swiping from the left side of your iPhone screen to open the control center. Next, turn on airplane mode and wait for about 15 seconds. After that, turn airplane mode off. Now check if this fix resolved the problem. Solution 2. Adjust cellular settings. First, open the Settings app. Then tap on Cellular. Next, select Cellular Data options. Now tap on Voice and Data and choose either 5G or 4G. After that, go back to the previous settings menu. Tap on Network selection. Now toggle the automatic option off and then back on. Next, go back to the previous settings page. Tap on Wi-Fi calling and turn it off. Finally, check if this adjustment fixes the problem. Solutions 3. Use the settings interrogation code. Open the phone app or dialer. Then tap on the keypad at the bottom of the screen. Now enter *#31# and dial the number. A menu should appear showing that settings interrogation succeeded and calling line restriction disabled. Next, tap on the Dismiss button. After that, see if this step resolved the issue. Solution 4. Reset your iPhone settings. Open the Settings app again. Then scroll down and tap on General. Next, find Transfer or Reset iPhone and tap on it. Now choose Reset All Settings. Confirm by tapping Reset All Settings once more. Your iPhone will now reset its settings and the error should hopefully be fixed. So that's how you can fix the call failed issue on your iPhone. If these tips helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. If you have any questions or need further assistance, just drop a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching and see you next time.